All right, we are gonna make the Fremont Troll. So you can make this individual drinks. You can also easily batch this cocktail. Wonderful for parties. Then you just need to put it on ice and shake it. But I'm gonna do an ounce of our Scratch WAquavit, an ounce of our Scratch wheat-based vodka that is primarily the base of our WAquavit. 3/4 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. 3/4 ounce of fresh made simple syrup, organic. That's why we get a little more color in there. Organic cane juice on ice. Shake. You can also do this on the rocks in the summer, let it be a little bit lighter. In the winter, I love doing a coupe glass. And blood oranges this time of year, my favorite. Nice wide swath of orange peel, rim the glass a little twist, express those oils, a little swirl. From scratch to you. Cheers.